how to write text in Final Cut Pro. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So there are two ways to do it, and the first way is that you press Ctrl T on your keyboard and you would be getting this title. Let me hide the background so you can see what title we are getting. This one. So this is the one we get. Let me change it up to text, and we can move around and change the size of it and other options from the right hand side panel. And the other option to add text is by clicking over here on the titles section over here and then type custom. This text would give you more flexibility with the animations and all sort of different fancy stuff that you can do using this particular title when you go through the custom way. So this is the text, and when we switch it to this text panel over here, we get this different kind of animations. And let me show you what it actually do. So when we start it, you can see that it changes to nothing, but let's see it now. So if we reduce the opacity to 0 on the in section, this is how it will appear, text by text or character by character. Now we can move around and change it to all if we want whole of the text to appear in one go, and this is how it will appear. We can also play around with the duration of it, how fast you want it to appear or how slow you want it. So this way you can play around with different options. You have two ways to add the text now. The first one is Ctrl T and the second one is the custom one. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.